Gives you total coverage and total control. Meet the Vantrue N5, a 4-channel, 360-degree dashcam setup with top-tier image quality, smart voice control, and full driving plus parking protection. Let us break down what makes this beast stand out. At the core, you get 4 cameras. A 2.7K front camera with Sony STARVIS 2 sensor IMX675. A 1080p rear camera. And dual 1080p side cams built into the cabin module. Together, they capture every single angle around your vehicle front, rear, left, and right with 0 blind spots. Whether you're driving, parked, or just keeping an eye out, the Vantrue N5 covers it all. Thanks to STARVIS 2 tech, low light and night vision are crystal clear, especially in areas most dashcams fail, like side collisions or nighttime lot incidents. Interior footage also features infrared night vision, so rideshare drivers, this is made for you. You'll get 4-channel recording, stored with synchronized time stamps. Support for up to 512 GB micro SD cards, and dual-band Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz plus 5 GHz for fast transfers to your phone. The system also includes built-in GPS, allowing speed, route, and location data to be logged alongside your video, critical for insurance claims or reviews. Voice control is smooth and responsive. Say commands like lock video or turn on screen without ever touching the unit. Now let us talk about 24/7 protection. With a hardwire kit, you unlock buffered parking mode, meaning it records 15 seconds before and after an impact, so you never miss what triggered the event. Installation is straightforward. Mount the front unit on the windshield, position the rear cam on the back window, and the side cams inside. All cables are included. The user interface is intuitive, and firmware updates are easily done via app or SD card. If you're a daily driver, delivery worker, or Uber Lyft Pro, this is the ultimate no-compromise dashcam setup in 2025. Hit like, tap subscribe, and check the Amazon link below to get total car security with the Vantrue N5. This is Gadgetverse. We test it, so you don't waste it.